Do you ever feel like you're constantly distracted, tired, or just stuck? What if I told you there's a way to reset your brain and feel motivated again without quitting life? Welcome! This video is all about helping you run your life your way. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good when you do something rewarding. Like checking your phone, eating junk food, or play video games, maybe watching TV. But too much dopamine stimulation can make everyday life feel boring and hard. That is when Dopamine Detox comes in. A dopamine detox isn't about removing dopamine. It's about stepping away from habits that give you instant gratification. You unplug from things like social media, video games, and maybe junk food to let your brain rest and reset. Here's how to do a dopamine detox the right way. Pick a suitable time frame. You've probably seen those 2-week or 1-month dopamine detox videos, right? But let's be real. If someone's been floating their brain for years, there's no way they can just quit cold turkey overnight. So let's take it slow and ease into it. Avoid high dopamine activities. No phone, no Netflix, and no sugar. Do low stimulation tasks. You can just read or water your plants. You can go for a walk. You can journal or meditate. Reflect. Just write down how you feel and what you noticed. At first, it feels boring, even painful, but that's the point. Your brain starts to rewire itself. You'll notice more clarity, better focus, and you even may find joy in simple things, like just hanging out with your friends. I started a 7-day dopamine detox. At first, I felt restless, but by day 3, I was thinking more clearly, I was reading more, and even enjoying silence. It was like waking up from a fog. By day 7, you will start thinking, wow, all the time I wasted, I really didn't do anything for me. Why was I even doing it for so long? That's when it clicks. Even after the dopamine detox ends, you don't feel like going back to mindless scrolling or wasting hours on stuff that's just... no. But don't get me wrong. I'm not talking about cutting out fun. I'm not saying cut out fun. Fun's a huge part of life, and your brain needs that break. I'm talking about the kind of stuff that's not even entertaining, just a total time drain. Start small. Try a 2-hour detox each morning. Turn off notifications, replace scrolling with journaling. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Now ready to reset your brain and feel alive again? Try a dopamine detox and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a mental reboot.